Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been a little bit under the weather at the beginning of the year. I used about 5 days of the new year getting the flu. Like, it was terrible. I hope your new year has been a source of joy. I hope you're having a time of your life. I am back in another video, and this one is yet another synthetic hair. And this synthetic hair is a non-heat resistant hair. That means that it cannot take heat whatsoever. You can't put a pressing iron on it, you can't put a coiling wand on it, you can't put anything that has to do with electricity, that has to do with very hot. It will literally melt. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to make this hair look more natural and more cute, as we do it. I am the queen of turning a synthetic hair into something beautiful. So join me, let's go. The number one thing to do on a synthetic hair whatsoever is to take the bump out, get rid of the bump, and you're going to be needing your razor blade. So basically all you're gonna do is cut off here and then take that right out, and you're gonna be looking for that plastic underneath of the wave. Now guys, I did something like this in my last video, how to get rid of a bump on your synthetic hair. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it down below so you can see it. Also, when cutting this kind of hair, you have to be very careful because everything is all sewn down. That means that whatever you take out, there's bound to be something else that's going to be going off. So be careful where to take off and what you are taking off. Avoid the tracks. So I'm literally cutting off the threads and going in line with where I want removed. And remember, what you're looking for in there is the plastic underneath the hair, which serves as a closure or whatever. Yeah, that's what you're looking for. So in any synthetic hair, the first thing to make synthetic hair look natural is to get rid of that bump. That bump is just gonna be on top of your hair, telling everybody, hey, look at me, I'm a synthetic hair. Hey, look at me, I'm so fake. Hey, look at me, this hair doesn't cost shit. That's what a bump does on a synthetic hair. But by getting rid of that, you are one step closer to a natural looking hair. All right, so that's what we're looking for. You're gonna pull it out, not pull it off, just straighten it. Make sure that it lays flat. Don't bend it. The original form is bended and turned inside and sewn down, so you're gonna lose it up and flatten it. That way you will have that flat effect closure look on top of your head. Now that this is out of the way, and the second thing that brings your synthetic hair very close to being natural is the part. Your part has to be very visible, your part has to be neat, and your part has to look like it's a closure. Get that? All right, so and how to do that, it is really simple and easy with a synthetic hair that has this plastic on it, because it's so easy to plug. So all you're gonna do, basically, I also showed this method in my last video, how to turn your synthetic hair into a natural looking hair. I'll still link that down. Basically all you do is just take out little hair, roll it around your finger, and then pull, just like that. It's easy, it's fast, and it gives you that clear, precise view and look of your closure or whatever that is. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do that all the way down and all the way to the top. You just ignore me in this video. I'm taking out lots of hair. That is because I want this particular hair to have a very wide part. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I think I'm craving for like a very wide part. So basically I'll do all of that, do that all the way down and all the way to the top until the part is clear. Basically it's so easy, like you just roll it and you pull it that's done. Now just brush it down a little bit, and I'm going to start coiling it. Remember, this hair cannot take heat whatsoever, so we're going to be using our coiling plastic wand or whatever that's called, and you can see it in this video, the pinky thing. So I'm just gonna put right here and then roll it round, roll the hair around it, and then twist it. Basically that's all I'll do for the whole hair. And pardon me, I wanted this to be a bit big. I didn't want it to be tiny curls, so I made sure that the cotton is big so that the curls will come out, you know, more bold and cute. Yeah. All right, so I'll just go ahead and do the rest, speed up the video a bit, and when I'm done I'll show you how to put it in the hot water. I think I kind of like noticed that my rollers was not gonna be enough, so I started cutting them even more bigger, so it's like this giant big thing, you know, struggling to roll them around the coiler. And it was a bit hard because it's synthetic, it refuses to stay. I just, you know, did it anyhow, whatever kind of way. Okay, so once all of that is done, I made sure that I managed to put everything on the rollers, because you need all of it to be coiled, and that's it. My water is on the fire, is already boiling, like really boiling, really hot water. Put in, press it in, make sure that all of the hair goes into the water boiling. Let it boil for like 5 minutes. Turn the heater off, bring it out, put in a towel, try to, you know, soak the water out, and with a dry towel or something, then place it on anything and let it air dry overnight. If you like, you can put in some holding spray. Hi guys, so it's the next morning and the hair is all dried up. So I'll just go ahead and put it on. Remember, this is a synthetic hair, a non-heat resistant hair. That means that it doesn't take heat. You can only coil it by maybe hot water method. Ooh, can you see these curls? It looks so pretty. Okay, so you can only do the hot water method, or you can do the rollers, you know. And remember, I did not put any product on this hair. I just twisted it and then I put it right into the hot water and cooked it for a while. Oh my goodness, but I am loving. So I can't wait to slay this hair. I'm sure you guys will like it. So this year we are doing slay on a budget. You don't have to spend so much money on, can you see that curl? Can you see that curls? Just using this, oh my goodness. So yeah, we're doing slaying on a budget, and you don't have to spend all of your life savings to look good. You can buy some synthetic hair and make it look cute. Trust me, I am the queen of turning a synthetic hair to a good looking, beautiful hair. So if you're looking to change your synthetic hair from looking fake to looking original, you are in the right channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and subscribe. Also, hit the bell so whenever I post a video, you would definitely be the first to know. So let's try on this beautiful hair. Just have to click that in there. So we're just gonna work on this place a bit. It's too long and it looks so obvious, so let's just try and cut out that a little bit. Okay, before I forget, we have to make the part look very natural. Like, remember, the plastic is like white and my natural scalp is brown. So I'm going to use my Elegant concealer in the shade tan, I think, and then, you know, brown it. Pardon my scissors. Just gonna cut this just a little. It's installation time. As you know, I don't wear a wig without a frizz spray, so I'm just gonna apply it. So we're just gonna leave that to dry and try to separate the curls a bit, make it look cute. Okay, so let's see. Okay guys, so this is the final look and yes, it looks so amazing. So basically all I did to achieve this pretty hair is just tweaks it a little bit and roll the hair around a roller, put in the boiling water, and that's all. Like literally that's all. The main thing in rocking a synthetic hair, making it look very natural, is just getting rid of the bump. If you get rid of a bump of your synthetic hair, you are sure to have a natural looking hair, and that is the #1 trick in having a synthetic hair looking all beautiful and natural. So the next time I'm going to be using this hair, I will be sure to do some baby hair and just make it look all nice. But for now, this is how the outcome is. This is how it turned out, and I love this hair. I love it. Like, I don't have to spend too much money to get, you know, this can pass for a fumi hair, short and pretty. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I am so glad that you are here. I will see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to stay true to yourself and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.